If you want to hard reset your Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro by going to recovery mode, then first of all, we need to turn off our phone. We're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time, like this, to open the power menu, and then we slide up to power off the phone. Now, once the phone is off, we have to press and hold the power button and volume up button, and we need to hold it until we see the Xiaomi logo. Once we see the Xiaomi logo, you just want to hold volume up only. So let's press and hold power button and volume up and wait for the Xiaomi logo. Now just hold volume up. And soon we should be in the recovery mode. There we go. Now we can release the volume up button. Over here in this menu, we navigate by using volume up buttons, as you can see. And we need to select the wipe data option. Confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And then over here, choose wipe all data. And that is pretty much it. Once the data is erased, if you are still in the recovery mode, then you will need to go to reboot and of course reboot your system. Otherwise, it is also possible that the phone will just reboot by itself and you will be in the initial configuration again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.